Do you enter the correct passcode, but your updated iPhone still doesn't respond? Whether you receive a disabled warning or not, you can't use the device normally. Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll bring you 3 very useful methods. Method 1. Fix iPhone not working with AnyUnlock. Apple support's help is always complicated and not timely. If you are eager to solve the problem, you can first turn to a third-party tool for help to fix your iPhone, and among them, I highly recommend AnyUnlock. It is the most reliable and complete iOS unlocking solution that can effortlessly fix iPhone passcode not working after an update. Additionally, it can remove other iOS locks, such as Apple ID, MDM restrictions, iCloud activation lock, and SIM lock. Step 1. Launch AnyUnlock on your PC or Mac, then click Unlock Screen Passcode. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable, and click Start Now. Step 3. Select a download path for the iOS firmware, then click the download button to get the required firmware file. Step 4. Once the firmware download is complete, click Unlock Now. AnyUnlock will automatically remove the screen passcode. Do not disconnect your device until it restarts. When the process finishes, you can unlock your iPhone without passcode. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. You can try to force restart your iPhone to check if the screen password starts working. Here, you can see the methods of force restarting different iPhone models. If you need to, you can pause the video to perform the operation. Here, I'll show using the iPhone 13 as an example. First of all, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Method 3. Fix iPhone not working via recovery mode. It is also possible to fix the iPhone after the update error by restoring your device in recovery mode via iTunes. But it is worth mentioning that all your media and other data will be erased if you take this way. To begin with, connect your iPhone to the computer via a USB cable. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Press and quickly release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button. After that, iTunes will pop up, and you just need to click here to restore your iPhone. After the process is completed, you can turn on your phone to confirm whether the problem has been successfully solved. We hope you can resolve the issue using the methods in this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.